If you're wondering if you can put a custom watch face on Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro, first we need to open My Fitness app. Then when you go to devices, you'll be able to find manage band displays. If we select all, then we can switch between custom ones. And this will allow you to pick a custom photo as your watch face. Choose whichever style you like and focus on the clock as the image will be different. And we're gonna go with this one. Then we can click on apply. Wait a few moments until it's installed on your smart band and then select edit. This will allow you to change a different photo by clicking on add photo, this plus button right there, open your gallery and then choose a photo you want to use as your watch face. Now if we go back, as you can see, the photo, the white background that I picked is selected and we can apply it. And then if we unlock our smartwatch, smart band, as you can see, the display have changed.